The reserve at Horn Springs is going to be a smaller community. It's gated. You won't notice any garages that are facing the front of the houses. Matter of fact, what you notice is all the garages have driveways on the side, with just about every layout having a 3-car garage. Now we're going to check out these two, the Amherst and the Cypress layout. Now the Cypress is about 3,000 square feet. That's that one right there. And the Amherst we'll check out next after this one. If you see this one here to the left, you'll notice it is what we call the Peyton layout. And that is the layout we own. Cypress, Amherst. Now my next door neighbor lives in the Amherst, and surprisingly they have a 2-car garage. So back to what I was saying, Eastland Construction Homes does slightly different things. You wouldn't believe this, but we looked at 2 Bradley houses just now. So the Cypress, about $719. So for $719,000, let's look and see what you get. Tease you a little bit. Wow. Again. Wow. Formal dining. Mudroom. The laundry room. Not all laundry rooms have cabinets, with a good sized linen closet in here. Wow. Another pantry. Huge 3-car garage. Tankless water heater and all. Smart garage. So you can open your garages from anywhere in the world. Same thing with the smart oven, double oven. Before we get into the heart of the home, let's look at the spare bedrooms. So you have 2 spare bedrooms on the first floor and the primary bedroom. So technically 3 bedrooms. And these 2 homes, again, back to the cabinets, different colors. Great size closets. What's cool about this layout, the Cypress, is you have 2 spare bedrooms on the opposite side of the home in the primary. We'll go look at in just a few. 3-car garages, when they run together, you'll notice a good size bonus room. Turn that into a mini office. I've seen many bonus rooms that don't have little closets that help out with storing items. I didn't bring this up yet, but there's always large attic spaces. Christmas trees and whatnot. And y'all, cabinet colors, difference. Two switches in case you want to put in a ceiling fan and have different controls. Welcome to the Cypress. Now, let's go look next door at the Amherst. Just kidding, we're not going to skip the kitchen and the primary. Now this one has single range. Lebanon. Now, if you visit Tennessee, you can't call it Lebanon. Covered deck. So you have a breakfast nook, formal dining. Ooh la la. I'll tell you one thing that's nice about those kind of ceilings is our layout, our 20-year-old is above us. So you can hear the footsteps. When you have a ceiling like this, you hear nobody above you. Most people don't think about that.